Yeah, hi. So, hi Kalpana. Thank you for joining the interview.
Yeah.
So, as you know, my name is Amit, and I'm working over past 10 years in the industry on the different roles and responsibilities and using different technologies like Java, Python, JavaScript, and developing a
Yeah.
setting up a quality gate in the company. So, can you just tell me about yourself? Like, mostly I know, but yeah.
Yeah. Hi, this is Kalpana. I have around 2.3 years of experience in automation and manual. I'm majorly into automation. And coming to my project is HRMS, which is basically deals with employees' payroll, attendance, and leaves and activities. Yeah. My clients are Oma Emirates. And
Okay.
coming to my skills, Selenium WebDriver, Java, test engine.
That's great. So we'll move on to the coding round. You can use any ID, any online editor which you're comfortable, and share your screen.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Amit, I am ready.
Sorry, I was on mute. So I'm sending you the question.
Okay.
So here you have to print the first duplicate character.
Okay.
So let me send you that. Yep. So I sent you the Zoom chat.
Yeah. First
So,
duplicate character.
yeah, first duplicate character you have to print that.
Only J. I can use hashtag. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you feel like, yeah, comfortable on. So I'm just switching off my video because of I can see the lag. So I'm feeling like might be it will improve our bandwidth. So I'm switching off my video.
Okay, fine. First duplicate.
You can take any other examples also, because we'll test on multiple examples.
Yeah. You will get first. That one. I need to break.
Yes. No. So if you see this code, right, are you missing something? Because the line number 6 to 8, are you missing something, or we should have put
6 to
8? So okay, can you explain this, like what you wrote?
Yeah. I will call this method. First, duplicate.
Yeah, you'll call that method. So can you just walk me through the code?
Yeah. First, I will write some static void method, and here I pass some string. And then here I'm using hash map. For that, I'm creating object.
Why
Yeah.
why map?
Why map or why hash map?
So first of all, why
Yeah,
hash map
hash
or
map.
map? Anything?
Yeah, map is a interface.
Yeah. So what it does that?
I need to use hash map, and also we in map provide some provide some methods. I want to use that, and I want to use hash map. Both I want to use.
But
That's why I'm creating.
But why hash map?
Why
What it
hash
does
map?
that?
Hash map stores in a key value pair, and the hash map allows duplicates. That's why I'm using hash map.
Hash map allows duplicate.
Yeah, hash map allows duplicate values.
Duplicate values it allows, right?
Yeah, duplicate values.
So, but okay, so okay, fine. So line number 4 of 3, you are creating a map. Then after that,
After that, I'm converting into character, string to character for my convenience. And next, I use for each loop. Here, I will get first character into C. After getting this, I'm checking whether C already hash map have that key or not. I'm checking.
Okay.
Then I will move on to further. If contains that key, I will increase the count. I will put this value and increase the count.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Next, I am printing that.
no,
Here
no.
I will. Yeah.
Just a second. If it contains, then you are putting, right? If not contains, then
if contains, I'm increasing the count. If not contains, I will put one condition. Else.
So that was missing, right?
Yeah. Wantedly, I didn't print that because I don't want. I want to only duplicate values, right? That's why didn't use.
Correct. But is that line number 7 is sufficient without line number 9?
Yes, Amit.
Okay, you can remove it. I'm okay with that. And please run the code.
Yeah, here first duplicate value. It will result in form of hash code. because hash code according to hash code value it will give. I don't know how to fetch first duplicate. Yeah, throw the hash code first value is a, so it will automatically it will print first value a count, then next hash code. According to that it will print.
Okay, but this is, we are missing something actually. This code needs something, and uh, like we are using a map, but you're not utilizing that map, and this will not suffice the problem, you know.
Yeah, I'm using map and
Okay. You just think of what you're missing, because I'm just giving a hint, and if you feel like, then you can run the code. If it's working fine, I'm very okay with that.
uh,
So java.util.star, yeah. You can just do a star, so you know, might it creates an issue.
yeah.
Dot star, yeah.
Each end of the file will pass.
So after line number 18, you have to give a curly braces.
Here I'm printing nothing. Then
So okay, let's discuss sometime, you know, for the map. So what do you think, what is map and what it does that? Just talk about map.
map stores in a key value format, and
Key value format, right?
yes,
And you said the hash map allows the duplicate value.
yeah, yes.
Okay, that's great. So now come to your code or your solution, what you are writing. What is doing?
Yeah. Here I am printing these values. Here plus one. Should I explain again or what, Amit?
No, I understood. The code has a problem. I gave you a hint. You have to find out what hint I had given.
Uh, Please tell once again, Amit.
So if you see, you wrote the code. So okay, I'll just explain you. So thing is, what you are doing, line number 8.
Line number 8.
Hmm.
I'm checking whether this key means this character, this
Correct,
one.
right?
A.
If it's contains, right?
Yes.
Anytime you put any value inside that map, if you did never put only, how you will check that it's contained or not? because whatever you send, it will say it's not there. You said if it's there, then only you put that. So line number 8 is like checking yes, then you are putting in line number 9. But you
Yes.
never put anything inside that map. How it will be there? It never be true. So it always be blank.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Amit. Hello.
Yeah. You can write it. Just complete that. No, I want to see that.
Ah. CH is empty. Contains the key. Not contains. Not contains also I need to. Not contains. I'll put C, 1. Okay, Amit, now I got your point. Why in else condition I need to put this? Thank you, Amit. It's a great experience.
Okay.
It is in a loop. Yeah, Amit, I got it.
Can you print the first one? I need a first duplicate, right?
Yeah. If I got first one, I need to break. First I have A. No, I can't break because I need a string. And I got regarding the ASCII value. I can access first value through map, but I don't know the syntax, Amit. How to access first value?
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So can you just tell me what could be the test cases for this where it will fail? For this code, tell me a test case where it will fail.
Fail.
Yeah. Like what and all test case you will write for this code. So either fail or pass, it's fine. But what and all test case you will write it.
First, I need to pass string to this method. Failed test cases. Failed. Say pass number, it will show compiler error, runtime error, runtime exception. Failed. No idea.
No, so when you get right for testing, so you think something like assume it's a code or it's an API, you are passing it. Because don't think about the code perspective. You think input and output, right?
Yes.
So how you test it? You check that anything as an input and output. So what is input here?
Input here string.
Correct. And output. So what you do, you try a different type of input, right?
Yes.
So that is only test case. Like, I'm doing this XYZ. This is one way of data, something, right? So
Yes.
that you have to think of. That's it. Like assume it's a one parameter we are passing in API or something. So how you will validate that? And
yeah, first I need to check whether it is a string or not. Then I need to proceed. Right.
Sorry, can you come again?
First I need to check whether it is a string or not. Then I need to proceed the whole
Okay, so
method, right?
correct. So no, so already this method only accepts the string. That's fine. You are saying correct. So you will pass non-string values, right? So there it will fail because you're not validating it. But
Then
anyway,
I need to return from this method. Return back from this method.
no. So actually, anyway, your value is a string only because
Yes.
this method is accepting a string. So you
Yes.
need to validate. If you pass anything, it won't accept. This method will throw error. So if you pass 1, 2, 3, it will throw a error.
Yes.
Right. So method only will not accept. But so you need to think like this actually. As I give an example, assume it's a input field, right? It's a string input field, and then you pass a different type of data, right? You did
Yes.
testing, right? A lot of in a practical scenarios, you do a functional testing. So assume it's a functional testing, and only you have to do line number 22. In line number 22, you have to pass the multiple data. And as you know the code, you wrote the code, you know when it will fail. If you pass this value, that value, right? So
Yes.
that kind of test case I am looking forward. Okay, let me. Okay, tell me.
No, Amit.
Okay, so just example I'm just giving. Okay, so we'll wrap it up as this is only remaining. So thing is, if you're passing, assume you know string with the special character or string with the spaces. Suppose in this you just pass a space or only you pass the space. So instead of ad whatever the string, you pass only spaces. That is also a string, but that is invalid character for you, right? You pass only special character like comma, right? Or a semicolon. That is also as soon as you start evaluating inside, because this code is not fully completed.
Amit, Amit, here I can check in if condition. I am able to enter only ASCII values from 65 to I don't know the number, 97, I guess, and capital A value to capital Z value. Like that I can do, right?
Correct. So I was just asking a test case, right? To test that. You have to just say this only. I was looking forward that, like, it's a camel case. So if I have a small a and capital A, you will consider as a duplicate or you will consider as unique characters, because ASCII value is considered as a unique characters, right?
Yes.
So like that, I was looking forward. But it's fine. It's a great. So I'm done with my round. You have any query?
No, Amit.
Okay. That's fine. So I'll just give a general feedback. So I will say you have to work on the little bit on the coding and the concepts. How it work and why it work. So that
Yeah.
would be great. You have that capability, but you're missing some points there. So I was just looking forward to that. Uh, so because I have to reiterate multiple times the same thing to make you in one page, on the right track. So that is what. And yeah, best of luck.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thank
time.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a,
Thank you, Amit.
yeah. Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.